Jean-Paul, prenez un signe là. On va toi. Prenez un signe là. Prenez un signe là. Parts, corporate. Parts. Sizame ukubambisana kuwena yonke into esiyenzayo namhlanje. Nikhumbule ukuthi imashi ethu isemthethweni.
Tell us what they're doing. So they're doing.
Chanpat, put on singular. Go back up. Hey, put on singular. Chanpat, corporate. Part. Chanpat. Nana assist in normal flow.
mashi sizosapota into eyaqala usisi uJesinta futhi sizoyisapota kuze kube sekugcineni kanye nobhuti uphakela umthakathi nongizwe sizosapota yona. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu, ngiyabonga.
Ngizobabisa abantu. Uzalo ubisa abantu mina. Uzalo. Abantu abahambe phambili, abantu abahambe phambili. Hai bafowethu manini ho. Nduna ho. Manini ho. Manini ho. Nduna bisi ngoma yodwa. Bisi ngoma yodwa. Ah uyaka hayi baba. Bisi ngoma. Wosiza unofalo. 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 Futhi wosiza unofalo. Zimbabwe wenzani? Nigeria wenzani? Malawi wenzani? Hawushil. Lalaneke. Nathi ushaka wethu esizalwe naye, ushaka lo.
Hey. Sono giocare.
Guarda lei che la fai.
Ja, aber so steht die aber schon Zeit.
Che cosa politica non dava fuori? Ya ngicela ugatshela Gatshela kunezikhwama zami lapha phambi uyithathe izikhwama zami lezi ezimbili ezincane ney'mpahla zami neyikipa kahulumeni buza bakuba intatheli ngojombu la yini intatheli ngala
Africa abasibuka ngamawindi abanemnyango abasiphakamisela izandla bayaseseka musana ukulwa nabo bayekeni ngabakithi bayaseseka uyayibona nje lengane ukuthi yakithi bayaseseka lo nomunye ungayinwa kithi ngiyeke asizile kuyena sizokhombisa ukuthi njengoba singaka sishintshe yonke uzohamba siyekeni uzohamba sathi umhlaka 1 kuyaqala futhi sathi umhlaka 1 kuyaqala futhi baze bahamba ungase mfanele sile ekhaya mina ngase mfanele sile ekhaya zonke insizwa madoda ngase mfanele asisini siyashabelela silinda abanikazi bemanje hlale sile ekhaya ngase mfanele sile ekhaya mina ngase mfanele sile ekhaya ngase mfanele sile ekhaya sile ekhaya ngase mfanele sile ngithi mina ngase mfanele sile kwethu mina ngase mfanele sile ngithi ngase mfanele sile ekhaya mina ngase mfanele sile ekhaya gijima ekhaya nathi sibimbo gijima ekhaya wefike novalo onovalo insizwa inovalo wesizwe novalo mama sengiyisaba mama inovalo insizwa wesizwe novalo mama sengiyisaba mama inovalo 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 wesizwe ligcwala mama sengiyisaba wena inovalo wesizwe novalo mama sengiyisaba wena inovalo wesizwe novalo mama sengiyisaba mama novalo mama sengiyisaba kumele ikwazi ukwenza into esiyifunayo so masiyibiza zize namsana ukuyithethisa siyazi ukuthi senzani thina lokho esinakho ukucabanga siyekeni sikwenze so akekho umuntu uzotshela umuntu ukuthi akhiphe isikibha senhlangano la ngoba inhlangano kufanele ifike siyitshele ukuthi asufuna umsangano sibatshele beyiqokile izigibha zabo so asiyekeni-ke lento ukuthi hayi ANC MK IFP sibafuna bonke la ngoba nonke niphile ngakubona ngokuhlukana kwenu so nizovotela labo abazosinikeza ukuthi kuhamba amaPakistani emalokishini asenzeni kanjalo ngamalala
sanibonani ayibo ngathi aninginiki home ground advantage ngoba la phela mina sanibonani ma South Africans amahle ninjani nithi nanazi nje ukuthi nogcwala ipoint kanje kuwe nina nathina nje ukuhamba ipoint ipoint akusalone lethu senabanikazi balo abadayisa ama drugs emini kaBha ungasho lutho soke sengekho lamaphoyisa u100 siwabona la Niyangizwa ngithini Ngithi amaphoyisa soke sengekho masikhala ngama drugs u600 million usuku usungakhishiwe masikhala ngehuman trafficking zonke lezi zinto azikho kodwa masithi siyamasha buku uhulumeni unama capabilities amanganani asishayelene uhulumeni izandla sithi shine uhulumeni shine nani lapho kuma-drone shine angithi siyayazi into esizele la ngithi azizile ukuzodlala la ngifuna siculeke kodwa ngifuna niqule wangampela-ke senicula nami angithi siyalazi iculo esiliculayo yathwini angithi siyalazi iculo esiliculayo nakhathala pho nikhathele sihambe siyeke lapha emuva niyangizwa siyacula sonke ngithi sithini masicula sithi lethi lizwe mhlambe ngisinda isikhwama namhlanje khona ngisho ama-artist ase-South Africa awushayini ama-artist shayini angikwazi ukucula mina ngilona i-artist kodwa ngizocula ngoba leli culo uma ngilicula lisuka la enhlizweni yami ukuthi leli zwe lethu silibangelani pho salibanga namaSomali izwe lethu salibanga nama-Nigeria izwe lethu salibanga nama-Ethiopia izwe lethu ama-Pakistani-ke wona isisiza ngani nge-apartheid ama-Bangladesh wona isisiza ngani nge-apartheid kodwa sila namhlanje sizocela ukuthi nisinike izwe lethu nake nayizwa yabo futhi namhlanje niphathe kahle ngiyanithanda kakhulu ngoba kusho ukuthi njengoba imashi izophela la amaphoyisa sekufanele angene kulamabhilidi ngine-speech ekufanele ngisifunde la ngiyazi ukuthi i-team yami izongithethisa ngizosifunda manje i-speech kodwa ngoba sibhalwe ngesingisi yazi sibhaleleni ngesingisi ngoba khona intatheli nezaphesheya ezobona i-xenophobia manje ngifuna ukubafundela i-speech se-xenophobia niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini sonke ngoba sila siyahlanya sine-xenophobia nangu futhi loya engimazi kahle uzobhala isitori esibhedayo yokuqala hayi myekeni bayekeni babhala uMathanda at the end of the day siyajika yini thina ngoba ngisho bangabhala uMathanda at the end of the day iy'ngane zase-South Africa ziyakudinga ikusasa la nayi Eddington Primary la iy'ngane bezinganayo indawo yokufunda iy'ngane zala e-South Africa ukuba sifikanga thina siyi-march iy'ngane zase-South Africa eziwu-100 and something ngaba zinaso isikole namhlanje so ngicela silicule leli culo futhi silicule ngathi lisuke enhlizweni ulicule ngazi ukuthi uwena ola estage kubuka wena ulicule ngazi ukuthi ingane yakho uma ibuka yabo labantu bathi bazobona mina
Ghana Mzansi Ghana. Thank you. My name is Sanele Kambule. I'm a leader of March and March at a national level. I'll be heading the program today to deliver the speech and memorandum to the honorable ministers that are here. Puma kware puma. Sonipa msulu sonipa. Puma kware puma. Lalala msulu lalala. Ghana Mzansi Ghana. Igama lami nguSanele wakaKhambule ongumholi weMarch and March ezingeni eliphezulu sihlangene ukuzofunda imemorandum nokukhuluma kuyinkulumo yethu esiyidlulisa kuDeputy Minister nomhlonishwa uMaya kanye nosekela wakhe. Siyacela ke njengamanje ukuthi samukele umama uMangobese eze ngaphambili esazokhuluma inkulumo yakhe. March and march, 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 march and march.
Thousands of our people have gathered across the length and breadth of our country, united in their diversity: white, black, Indian, colored, Xhosa, Tsonga, Tswana, Swati, Zulu, and all the indigenous people of our country, longing for a safe and prosperous South Africa. Today, our people have come out in numbers to call on their government to listen to its people. They are calling for Africa to unite and fight against modern day slavery. They are calling for a true and real Pan-Africanism. They want Africa that works, a prosperous Africa, a viable economic system that works for all 54 countries in Africa. Over the past 17 months since we launched March and March movement, we have traveled all across the country, raising awareness on the efforts of irregular migration. South Africa is the most unequal society in the world. The youth are unemployed. It remains a significantly high number at a national average at over 40% youth unemployment. This number is inclusive of those who have stopped looking for employment. Today, poor South Africans are forced to stand in long queues in hospital, njengase Eddington Hospital. Women give birth on the floor while waiting for medical attention. We have seen hospitals and clinics running out of medications while foreign nationals collect medication so that they can sell it in their country, and we see that medication crossing our borders. Many of the South African children are battling to get a quality education because the government's resources are not enough to cater for South Africans and the influx of illegal immigrants coming into our country. They benefit from social grants and the road accident fund, while poor South Africans continue to live in abject poverty. Thousands of young people have been reduced to being drug addicts, njengoba bebizwa ngamaphara nje today, dominated by foreign nationals from all over the world. They come from China, Nigeria, Pakistan, and many other countries. Our youth is the future of this country, and we must all rise to protect our future. Never again shall we allow anyone to come into our country and reduce young girls into prostitutes. This is not xenophobia, and it is not ethnic mobilization. It is a fight for social well-being of South Africa in particular and Africa in general. South Africans were dispossessed of their land, they were stripped of their economic freedom, and they were reduced to slaves in 1802. This is when the Dutch took over the reins of the ruling class. Over the years, we have seen the influx of fellow Africans who migrate to our country irregularly, seeking employment but only to be reduced into modern-day slaves by the ruling capitalist class. Alright, asilinde insizwa lapha ney'nduku ngathi no employer may employ a foreign national within the territory of the Republic of South Africa prior to such a foreign national producing applicable valid work visas. Njengamanje sikuboni-ke thina lokho. The Act states that the employers must satisfy themselves that there are no other persons in the Republic that are suitable for this skill to fill the vacancy before recruiting a foreign national. I want all of us to be honest with ourselves today. Does South Africa not have people who can work in restaurants? Why are we employing foreign domestic workers?
Because they are cheap.
When there are so many people in South Africa who are depending on social grants and could do the same domestic jobs. We want our people to be employed. We want them to run successful businesses. Where is the xenophobia in that? Is there anything that sounds like xenophobia from what I've said?
No!
So fellow South Africans, today almost all the tuck shops in our townships and rural areas are owned by foreign nationals. Namely Pakistani, Somalis, Ethiopians, the economy that once belonged to our people. Lawa uhamba khona uya kaNtombela uyothenga khona okadladla and buy there. It is now owned by Pakistanis. So, why is it that this has been happening? This economy belongs to our people and it has been hijacked. Thousands of children die in this country because of food poisoning. The rape of our children and the terrorism of our communities, yet nothing much is said about it. Masan Koshio about the children that have died. Here is a remembrance of some of the children that died after eating ukudla that was poisoned from spaza shops. Until today, those children have never received justice. Many buildings in the CBDs have been hijacked by foreign nationals. In particular, we don't see the media covering those stories. They just want to be where the migrants are and ask them if they've had food. Have you had food? Have you had a bath? When we have serious issues going on in our country, buildings are being hijacked and taken over. So these buildings are taken over by Nigerians in particular. But when South Africans complain, they are told that they are xenophobic. When will the government listen to us, talk to us, and not go on TV to threaten us? Today, we do not have DJ Warris, who is also on my t-shirt here. May his beautiful soul rest in peace. He was brutally killed for fighting against the taking over of buildings. When will the world and the media tell everyone about Amazamazama that have displaced many families, terrorizing them and making them leave their communities because of illegal mining? Our neighboring countries such as Zimbabwe, Lesotho and Mozambique are the ones that are dominating in that field of zamazamas, and we all know this. But the media pretends like it's not happening, only because it's happening to a South African. We want our laws to be enforced. We want our people to feel safe in their own homes. Women must be free to walk in the streets in our country without any fear of being abducted or even injected, which was happening here in Durban, and the government pretended that it's not happening. We would like to use our laws to fight for the freedom of the weak and the poor in our country. We are incredibly grateful for the foundation that was laid by our forefathers who taught us that there's nothing wrong with taking to the streets if you are tired of your government. We look at heroes who fought for this struggle. Kgosi Kgaleshewa, the Kings Hints Kauta, David Sturman, who resisted colonial encroachments. We are the descendants of Shaka Zulu. We are the children of 20,000 warriors who fought and succeeded in the Battle of Isandlwana. We are the children of Mkabayi Gachama. And we borrow the tenacity of Chief Makoma, who spearheaded the Cape Frontier Wars against the British Empire in Amatole in Amatole. So, sengizoqeda nje. While we stand in the shoulders of such giants, we must be mindful of what we have to do to work for ourselves. We say so because Karl Marx reminds us that history does nothing. It does not possess immense riches. It does not fight battles. It is men, real men, living, who do all of this. Today we once again want to tell the President of South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa, that we want to know the risks that are associated with illegal migration, and we want the whole nation to be made aware of this. We want our borders to stop operating at 25% capacity, because currently in South Africa, 75% of our borders are wide open. We want the government to therefore increase the allocation for the BMA. We want our borders to be secured, whether you install a fence or a wall, but it's time now that we protect ourselves. South Africans want no illegal immigrants to ride on the back of crocodiles into our country. No forest must be used as a border to our country. We want the BMA to amend the act so